Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS border property, and right now we'll be discussing about how to use the CSS border shorthand property for bottom border. Quickly, back to our document right here. We are seeing no border in our body element. Now let's give it a border. Let's use our border bottom property and give it 23 pixel solid red. Now reload. When we reload our document, can you see our h1 tag is having red? Now let's give our document, the main document, body. Let's reload our document. Let's drag down. Can you see our body element is having border at the bottom right here? And also we can use our fit set also. So let's select our fit set also. Can you see it is working in every element you can find here? Can you see it is working nicely? And we can even change the color and the size. Let's change the color to blue. I'll change the color to blue. Then you can change the size to 2 pixels. Let's see how our document looks. Can you see how it's looking? Our document looks nice, and we can do a lot with this. So let's stop right here. You can use the shorthand property, please. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day.